What is inadmissibility? Inadmissibility means some people are not allowed to enter or land in Canada or be removed from Canada. Inadmissibility only applies to foreign nationals and permanent residents. Naturalized citizens cannot be inadmissible to Canada. There is a long list of things that can make someone inadmissible, such as security reasons, human or international rights violations, committing a crime against the Criminal Code of Canada, organized criminality, medical reasons that include contagious diseases or that cause excessive demand on health or social services, financial reasons, misrepresentation, failure to comply with the immigration laws, or simply having an inadmissible family member will also make you inadmissible. Inadmissibility also includes minor and serious crimes such as theft, assault, manslaughter, dangerous driving, driving under the influence, D.U.I, and possession of or trafficking in drugs or other controlled substances. If you were informed that you were found inadmissible for any reason, please do not try to justify or send written reasons to CBSA or IRCC, because this response requires legal knowledge. Please hire a criminal immigration lawyer to help you overcome your inadmissibility. How to deal with inadmissibility? You have 4 ways to deal with inadmissibility. 1. Prove that you are deemed rehabilitated, meaning enough time has passed since your conviction, and thus you are allowed to enter Canada. 2. Prove that you are rehabilitated, which means that you are not likely to commit new crimes. This can happen in several ways, however. The most common way is if you apply for criminal rehabilitation after 5 years of committing the crime or the end of the criminal sentence. You can apply for criminal rehabilitation at a visa office abroad. 3. Record suspension or discharge, formerly known as a pardon. You can obtain record suspension in Canada from the Parole Board of Canada if you have committed a crime in Canada. You can also obtain record suspension from the country of conviction, and the Canadian government may accept that record suspension. 4. Obtain a temporary resident permit. If less than 5 years have passed since the end of your sentence, and you have a genuine/valid reason to enter Canada, you can apply for a temporary resident permit. The decision is based on your risk profile. If the Immigration or Border Services officer comes to the conclusion that your entry or stay in Canada outweighs the health and safety risks to Canadian society, they will issue a TRP. Otherwise, you cannot enter Canada. You can still use the other 3 ways to deal with your inadmissibility. TRP can be issued for 1 day to a maximum of 3 years, single entry or multiple entries. This is put to the discretion of the issuing officer.